children.
Hello, dear explorers in the town of artificial intelligence. Today I want to show you where our food comes from and how modern technology helps it grow healthy and tasty. I will talk about the amazing connection between nature and smart machines, which makes working in the fields easier and more precise. I invite everyone to join me on an adventure to discover the secrets of modern farming. At Sensor Square, I met Techno Eagle and Mecha Kitten. Techno Eagle said that artificial intelligence in farming must be an army of robots dressed as scarecrows, telling birds such boring stories that they fall asleep and don't peck at the seeds. Mecha Kitten thought it was about planting old phones and tablets in the ground, hoping electric potatoes would grow and peel themselves. Their ideas made me laugh, so I explained that artificial intelligence is not for making birds sleepy or growing electronics, but it helps farmers care for plants by checking what they need and how healthy they are. By the light waterfall, I met NeuroAnt and NeuroPony. NeuroAnt shared that in her garden, little sensors check the soil's moisture and turn on the watering only where it is dry, so not a drop of water is wasted. NeuroPony added that he saw big tractors driving themselves in the fields, avoiding every obstacle and working even at night to harvest crops at the perfect time. I agreed that precise watering and self-driving vehicles are great examples of how artificial intelligence supports nature and saves energy. In the hologram space, I met Laser Peacock and RoboRabbit. I asked them what they knew about using artificial intelligence in farming. Laser Peacock answered that drones flying over the fields can take pictures with special cameras to spot plant diseases before people can see them. RoboRabbit added that this way sprays can be used only on the sick leaves instead of spraying the whole field, making food healthier and cleaner. I praised them for their knowledge because, thanks to such solutions, we protect the environment and eat better products. Dear researchers, today we learned how artificial intelligence is changing plant growing, helping farmers save water and care for the environment. We saw that modern technologies like drones and smart sensors help bring healthier food to our tables. I hope this visit to the fields of the future was inspiring for everyone. See you on the next exciting journey for knowledge.